my name is Joshua Baugh. I'm going to start out with rinsing this 100.00 milliliter volumetric flask out with my wash bottle here. So first I'm going to begin spraying in the bottle while spinning it around to get all the loose droplets. You can see. And with the accumulated water at the bottom, I'm going to spin around to make sure I pick up any loose droplets on the way out. And that'll show me pouring it out as I pick up the droplets. So I'll continue spinning as I pour it out. Okay. And now, after having washed it out, I'm going to begin the quantitative transfer of my NaCl solution in this 100 milliliter beaker using this small funnel that fits this flask. So I'm going to begin the quantitative transfer while holding the funnel in place to make sure it won't fall out. And I'm only going to fill up to the base of the neck in this first run. And then in order to get to the calibration mark, I'm going to use this pasteur pipette. In order to save time in the future, I may use a slightly larger funnel. Okay. Now that I'm at the base of the neck, I'm going to plug it up with this stopcock and ensure a tight seal. I'm going to mix the solution by flipping it over. Four or 5 times to ensure an evenness in the dissolution of my my solute, in this case the salt. I'm going to shake it up a little bit and ensure there are no droplets in the neck. Then I'm going to remove the stopcock and take my pasteur pipette, and I'm going to go from the base of the neck up to the calibration mark. And this way it just ensures that I don't overshoot that calibration mark, because as this is a volumetric flask, it's very accurate and you want to make sure you're ensuring accuracy at every step. Very close to it. So now if you can see, here's my calibration mark right there, and the bottom of the meniscus is on the calibration mark, so I'm confident with that accuracy. And then I'm going to replace the stopcock and repeat the same process earlier to make sure everything's dissolved. This is also to make sure I get any droplets out of this portion of the flask. Once again, no bubbles, and no residue droplets up in the upper half, and then the bottom of the meniscus is right on the calibration mark.